Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're planning your next outdoor adventure, you're in the right place because today we're diving into the top 5 camping gadgets you need in 2024. These game-changing tools will make your camping experience more enjoyable and hassle-free. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button if you find this video helpful. And if any of these gadgets catch your eye, you can find the links to them in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the LED camping lantern, a multifunctional marvel that redefines what a camping light should be. This lantern isn't just another lighting tool. It's a versatile powerhouse designed to adapt to a variety of outdoor scenarios. It features a combination of high-intensity LEDs that produce 750 lumens of brightness, providing exceptional illumination in even the darkest environments. Coming in at number 4, the BioLite CampStove 2 is an innovative piece of camping gear that does much more than just cook your meals. This stove is a game changer, combining the functions of a traditional camping stove with the ability to generate electricity, making it an essential tool for modern campers. What makes the BioLite CampStove 2 truly unique is its ability to convert heat from the fire into usable electricity. This is achieved through its thermoelectric generator. At number 3, we have the UNP Tent's 6-person family tent, a spacious and durable shelter designed to accommodate the whole family during your camping trips. This tent is all about providing comfort and convenience, making it an ideal choice for car camping, family outings, or any situation where you need a reliable and roomy tent. One of the most impressive features of the UNP tent is its size. With dimensions of 10 inches by 9 inches and a height of 78 inches, this tent offers 90 square feet of space, easily fitting 2 air mattresses or up to 6 sleeping bags. The KITWLEMEN Camping Fan with LED lantern takes the second spot on our list, and for good reason. This versatile device combines the functions of a powerful fan and a bright LED lantern, making it an indispensable tool for campers, hikers, and anyone who spends time outdoors. At the heart of this camping fan is a massive 200,000 miles per hour rechargeable battery, which provides an incredible 8 to 100 hours of operation, depending on the settings. The battery is fully rechargeable via the included Type-C cord, taking 9 hours to reach a full charge. Finally, at number 1, we have the Stanley Camp Pour Over Set, the ultimate solution for coffee lovers who refuse to compromise on quality, even in the great outdoors. This pour-over coffee maker is designed to bring the rich, full flavors of your favorite brew to the campsite, ensuring that you start each day with the perfect cup of coffee.